welcome back to my channel. I'm like having a hard time believing it's already August because I was like, what month is this Ipsy unbagging? It's August 2021. If you're unfamiliar with what Ipsy is, it's actually a monthly subscription service. It's kind of like the OG beauty monthly subscription service where they send you either little deluxe size samples or full size samples or actual full size products every single month in the mail, and you can try out some new makeup that way. It's actually really super cool, super fun. I am an Ipsy ambassador, which just means they send me the products a little bit early so I can open them on camera and share it with you guys, and then if you subscribe, you'll get your bag a little bit later in the month. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients, go wild with manis, try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. How cute. Okay, so we're gonna start with the regular Ipsy bag first. This one is $12 a month, and you typically get deluxe size samples in here. Sometimes you'll get a full size product thrown in there, like a makeup brush or things like that, but typically they're deluxe size samples. You get 5 a month. Here's what this month's bag looks like. It's kind of the cute like croc faux leather with this chartreuse green inside. Okay, first thing is by the brand 111 Skin. Haven't heard of that brand before. This is a recovery eye cream. No? Cream? Just recovery cream. I don't know why I thought it said eye cream. Nope, it's just it says it's just a nighttime cream, so you apply it on your face after cleansing and toning. Let's see if there's a scent to it. No scent to it, which is really good. This is an itty bitty sample. I feel like I would get, well, I don't know, maybe like 4 uses out of this. Next thing in my bag is by the brand Verso. Ooh, I think I'm saying that wrong. This is a facial cleanser. This is interesting for like a facial cleanser tube, you know? It seems like this should be a hand cream or something, but it just says gentle facial cleanser. Let's see if there's a scent. There's a very mild, like clean scent to it, but it's really not too bad. I'm assuming that's because it's supposed to be a gentle cleanser, so they're not gonna like pack it full of fragrance. I think this is such an interesting tube. Okay, next thing in here is from the brand The Balm. Definitely have heard of The Balm before. This is a sparkling liquid eyeshadow in the color Bellini. It's a really pretty, kind of looks like a rose gold, maybe like a rosy pink with some golden shimmer in it. I love liquid eyeshadows. I love a little bit of shimmer in my liquid eyeshadows. Ooh, that is, yeah, it's definitely like a rose gold. That's a really pretty color. I have never tried this particular like brand of liquid eyeshadow before, but I'm loving that. 2 more things in here. So the next thing is by Milk Makeup. I love Milk Makeup. It's such a good brand. This is their lip and cheek stick in the color Work. I did get an itty bitty one like this in my like birthday gift from Sephora, but I think it was in the other color. This one is much more up my alley. It's like a rosy pink, and I love rosy pinks. Yes. Those would actually look really pretty together. So there's the blush right there, and then there's the liquid eyeshadow. Those would be beautiful paired together. Okay, last thing in my regular Ipsy bag is by the brand Glow Recipe. This is their Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I actually bought a full-size version of this for my sister for Christmas, and she said she really likes it, but I personally haven't tried it. I'm pregnant right now, so I can't use retinol, but I know she said she really likes it. I think there's a slight scent to it, if I remember correctly. Maybe a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna hop into the Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month, and typically this has full-size products in it. Sometimes there'll be like a deluxe size, like big deluxe size, but for the most part it's full-size products. Here's what this month's looks like. Again, with like this snake print. I mean, it's not my favorite pattern, but it's a cute little sack. Okay, first thing in here is looks like a palette. So this is the Posh Powder Palette from the brand, I think it's Doocy is how you pronounce this brand. They've had a couple products from this brand in the Glam Bag Plus before. So it's not a new brand that I've seen, but I've never seen this powder palette. So it looks like there's blushes and highlighters in it. Let's open it up. I love blush. Not a huge fan of highlighter anymore, but it is nice to have, you know, good highlighters in your collection. Ooh, that's really pretty. You know, it's giving me like NARS vibes when I open it. I just feel like this is a product NARS would have. The blushes are really pretty colors. This one is pretty dark here in the middle, but I love this pink here. And then the highlighters, there's like an icy, like a more opal color. So you got a good variety of colors there. All right, next thing in our Glam Bag Plus is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. I have tried this before. I always forget because Tarte has like a whole bunch that are very similarly named. So there's like Lights Camera Lashes, Lights Camera Flashes, Lights Camera Splashes. So like I've tried I think all of them and I can't recall which ones I like and which ones I don't like. This is the original one, but again, I just can't remember if I like it or not. So, I mean, this is a great way for me to try it again. The packaging I feel like is so extra with this mascara. It's like leather. I mean, it looks really cool, but it's just so, it's just a lot. I do like the wand on this. It's like not too big, not too little. Definitely smells like mascara. So the next thing in here is by the brand Murad, which is a skincare brand. I love Murad. This is their Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. I love serums as well. It's one of my favorite skincare products. This is meant for AM and PM use. It has hyaluronic acid, chamomile extract. Those look like the two main ingredients on it. This is definitely full size as well. And yeah, a nice glass bottle. Ooh, I love this. Seems like it's hydrating. Yeah, intensely hydrating serum. Relieves dry, sensitive skin to support the skin's ability to retain moisture. I get dry spots all the time, so this is like perfect. All right, I got 2 more full-size products in here. This, I peeked at this when I opened up the box. I'm really excited. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing Balm. I actually have one of these, but it's really old and it's time to get a new one. So I like have a repurchase basically one now. So this is really cool. It's like pH adjusting lip balm. It smells delicious. Wait, is this the same one? Wait a minute, this is not the same one that I have. Hold on a second. Okay, I can't tell if these are the same product or not because the one I have is on like a tilt, like it has like a slant, and then the one they sent over is flat and they're slightly different colors. They smell the same and this one doesn't have any like writing on it. They both just say lip pop. I'm not too sure, but either way, I know I like the one that I have, so I have a feeling I'll probably like the one they sent me too. I just can't tell if it's meant to be the same product or maybe they reformulated it or something, but they both are like that pinky color. I'm assuming this one is pH adjusting just like the original one, which is nice because it goes on clear, but then it gives you like a little bit of a pop of pink. All right, last thing in my Glam Bag Plus is Lauren Conrad. They did send over one of her lip glosses. Was it last month or the month before? This is the eyeliner in the color Onyx, so that's, I'm assuming, black. I'm definitely like an OG LC fan, so I'd love to support her in any way that I can. It looks like this is a liquid liner. I'm not like a super huge fan of liquid liners. I just use pencil liners much more often. Wow, that is a super skinny line. That's good though, wow. I feel like that'd be perfect to like get in between like your false lashes. It's not like uber pigmented, but it is nice and skinny. So it just says rich color that stays throughout the day. It's lightweight, non-smearing. So yeah, I mean, I would love to try it. I just don't wear liquid liner too often. Okay, so those are my 2 bags. I have to say this was actually a really good month. I love that they're putting Glow Recipe products in the bag. I love Glow Recipe. I mean, we have a Tarte product, a full-size, you know, pretty well-known mascara, the Murad serum. I think Glam Bag Plus was really good this month. So yeah, those are some of the products that you can get in your bag. If you are really interested to get one of those, make sure you log into your Ipsy account and select. You can select, I think, up to 3 products that you want for your bag, and then the other 2 are surprises, like Christmas every single month. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do this little Ipsy unbagging video, and yeah, I'll talk to you next time. Bye!